Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying who controls the track and why that matters. Labels and publishers control sync and master rights. Once you know the rights holders, decide exactly how you will use the song in your short, background loop, remix, or full vocal snippet, because that changes the permission you need. Then prepare a concise usage summary with duration, territory, platform, YouTube Shorts, and estimated views so you can ask clearly. Do this now before editing audio into your video. Next, request permission using a short professional message that states the exact clip length and use on YouTube Shorts. Explain distribution scope and propose simple terms, non-exclusive, limited duration license, and offer options: attribution, revenue share, or a flat fee. This speeds approval. If the owner requires a Content ID claim, negotiate split percentages or whitelist. Once you receive written permission or a license agreement, save that file and proceed to attach it to your upload metadata. Finally, upload your short and include explicit metadata: song title, composer, license ID, clip duration, and rights holder contact so YouTube reviewers see documentation. Attach the license PDF to your channel's rights management or keep it ready for disputes. Once live, monitor Content ID claims and analytics. If your video is flagged, submit an appeal immediately with the license and a short explanation. If automatic claims persist, reopen negotiations for whitelist or split terms. Make sure to keep records for 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.